So hello everyone, welcome to day 5. And today what we are going to do, today we are going to understand how we can code with it and how we can understand all those things, right? So what I will do, first I will open this doc, and here just I will explain you the things. We can implement it. So I hope everyone who is watching this video have VS Code installed inside it, right? And Anaconda Navigator as well. If not Anaconda Navigator, then surely you are having Python interpreter, Python installed inside your environment, right? You would be having that. I am assuming. Okay. Why I'm assuming? Because it will not waste much of our time to explain you how to install and all those things. If you want to see the installation and not part, means like there are various 2 to 3 minutes YouTube videos where you can just go and check like how we can install it, right? So here what you can do, this was my structure building means basically right now, what yesterday I have explained okay, we will only make the structure. For example, I am having a photo frame, right? I have to build a photo frame which will contain the photo, right? So first of all I have to build frame, then only I can assign any photo, I can keep any photo inside it, right? So what I will do, of I'm basically right now I am creating a frame, photo frame only. Later I will keep it. Okay. So for example, so this is my frame, and inside this will be my model. This will be my model. This will be my model, and this is my frame. This is my frame, and this is will be my model. And again, whenever you are creating frame, so you are making sure that any picture would fill in it. Okay. It doesn't matter that on this particular model should only fill inside it. Basically it's a normal outlier type, not basically outlier, outline of your, what you can say, the model, the very first, the base which you created. Okay. So here when I will go, first I have to create a project folder. So let's start. I will cut this. Okay. And I will just go here and I will try VS Code. Okay. And meanwhile my VS Code is opening. So what you have to do, when your window appears like this, you have to just go here inside this file option, and you have went into file, and you have to open any folder. Okay. So for example, if you haven't created any folder, so what you can do it, just go wherever you want to create any folder. I want to create in my D drive, and inside my hackathon I have created one folder named as ara. Okay. How you can create that folder? It's simple, just go on new and folder. Ara is being successfully created here. Okay. Now what I will do, I will go inside my VS Code. Okay. I will just go here, open folder, and I will click on this hackathon, and I will select this folder, Ara. You can see here my folder is being successfully created. So if you want to create any files inside it, so what you can do here, you can just click, so a new file will be created, and you have to want to create a new folder. So similarly here new folder will be also created. Okay. So right now what I have to do, I have to just go inside my terminal, and terminal, instead of PowerShell I have to change here to command prompt. Why command prompt? Because PowerShell has some limitations, but command prompt doesn't have such. Now what I will do, I will Just go here and I will my Ara folder is being successfully created. Okay, I have to create one virtual environment. Okay, so before creating one virtual environment, what I have to do, I have to install. Uh, I have to activate my Conda. I have to activate my Conda environment because I am using Anaconda Navigator for the same. So you will just go over. Yeah, okay. I will go here and I will copy this. I have to activate my Conda manually. So I will go here. I'll copy this and I will press enter. So you can see here, whenever you are seeing like this, whenever you are seeing this term base, so whenever you are seeing base, so what does it mean? It means that your Anaconda environment has been successfully created. Your environment is being successfully invoked. Okay. Now I will go here, not basically here. Here, yeah. See, if it works, your prompt will change something like that. So it was working and my prompt changed. Now base means Conda is active now. Now I have to create my virtual environment. Okay. I will go here. I will write here Conda create an para Conda create and my folder name and then my Python version and then y. Okay. I will create like this and I will press enter. Now it's saying that wait for it to complete. It will download Python and basic packages, then activate it. Then we will use this Conda activate para. Okay. So meanwhile, it's downloading. So what can we do? I can just go above and I will make you go through that what all things is needed for that. And it's not something just like rocket science. Okay, you can just pause this video and you can just make it running notes as well so that you can understand it. So here it was normal thing. Like if I have mini isolated Python installed inside my computer, here what you can see here right now I don't have any Python here. If I will type here Python, you can see here no Python is there. Okay, no Python is currently inside my PC, but I have Python installed inside my Anaconda Navigator. So for that reason, I was extracting through Conda environment. Okay, so here is the same thing. If you don't want to use the Conda environment, so you can just use these steps. Okay, and you can simply create it. Okay, take the screenshots of it, make the running notes, and try implementing it practically. Now, if I have installed everything, my Conda, my VNV virtual environment is ready. Now I need to install required libraries. For example, pip install fast API UVcorn strands SDK model context protocol. Fast API for backend. This UVcorn is for run fast API server. Strands SDK to build agents, which we have understood already. Model MCP to connect tools. Model MCP. Now I have to save them into requirement.txt file. So I have to use here pip reads requirement.txt. Now when I have create a folder structure. So what I will do, there is either way to create it. You can just go here and you can create new file and make like this, or you can just use mkdir thing and you can create the same. Okay, so what I will do, uh, I will now activate my conda environment. Okay, my libraries, this thing have been already installed. Then I will do like this conda activate ara. See, so my virtual environment is being successfully created. Now what I will do, um, yeah, I will go above and I will install all those dependency, those strands, those MCPs and everything. Okay, so what I will do, I will just simply write pip install first win, and now you can see that my libraries are getting installed. So I'm getting an error. I think it's a version error. So the Python which I have installed inside my Conda, I have to just put the screenshot here and I have to just ask the same. Okay, so basically my strands thing, this is not applicable for pip. Means like this is the AWS thing and I have to install it or I have to create a folder structure known as utils. Uh, Inside that, I have to create all these things. Whenever you would look just for the folder structure, so here somewhere in util with the helper.py is there, I have to make the strands.py is there. So I will make the folder structure like this. My VNV RI is there, then VNV file is there. Okay. So if you would see when I will pin my RF folder, So you can see here right now it's empty. Okay, hackathon, it's empty. So I have to make my VNB files working. Okay, so I have to create these things by this. And right now, if you could just go here, there is nothing much in that. In your root folder, rr create a file main.py and add this file. So all these things, what I have to do, I have to after creating my folder structure. See, it's make directory agent tools API data dot utils. I have to run these commands, and if I don't have to run these commands as well, so in style the VS Code, I can simply create a folder like this by going here, by giving some, for example, utils. I press enter, then inside I will create the folder. So if I have to delete this, okay, uh, delete. I have to just create one folder here. So I will create here utils, and after creating the folder, then again I have to create here file, and I have to write here helper.py. Then again I will go here and I will write, for example, it was strands. So strands.py file. Similarly, like this, you have to create it. Okay. So I hope you are understanding the thing. Okay. Nothing you have to do. It's just a simple thing. You have to create the folder structure. Okay. And after creating the folder structure, once your frame is ready, so what we will do, we will go with installing the things. Installing means the photo inside a photo frame. Okay. So you'll go with the model building and all these things. Meanwhile, what you can do, the steps which I have told you, you can just move on with that. Just take the screenshot of this folder. Okay, it's just above, and just, yeah. So it's this. Okay, if I will do, yeah. Now you can take the screenshot of it. You can take the screenshot and you can simply note down the thing. For that, you can create accordingly. So I hope by tomorrow you would create this, so that tomorrow when I will explain you with the things with all those codes inside it, so you don't have any problem. Okay. So see you tomorrow. Till then, keep practicing it. Keep or you watching the videos if you are not getting understood. So till then, goodbye. Take care.